So today's day one of the vegan challenge. It's gone pretty chill actually. I just couldn't film a lot earlier because I was at work, and we're not really allowed to like use our cameras there. But pretty much for breakfast, I had just oatmeal. I had like the oatmeal with bananas, green tea. For lunch, I had 2 of those tofu burritos. Man, they're even better the next day. Damn, still spicy. And then after work, I just had some cashews, so that was pretty cool. Then I had to go home and do like some work on like the YouTube page and all that stuff. And then I came to the gym just to like kind of like a quick workout. I mean, honestly, I just ran for like 20 minutes and I did some leg presses. That's about it. But I'll be going harder tomorrow. So now I'm about to go get dinner and I'll be able to film that. Actually, before dinner, I'm gonna step on the scale because I told you guys I got weekly weigh-ins coming in. So let's see what this scale has to say. I'm gonna warn you guys, it's not pretty. It's not pretty at all because I was definitely working out like hard as hell like during the summer and I did lose like 15 pounds and I gained all that shit back. So let's try again. Look at that, 263.2. Wow, Jesus Christ. What the fuck, man? Damn. It's fucked up, right? Honestly, it's fucked up. But you know what? At the beginning, this time last year, I was actually like 273, like 10 pounds heavier. So I guess that's good. But damn, if I keep living my life this way, I'll be dead by next year. Shit. I died before I even started living. It's fucked up for real. No worries. No worries, yo. But it's all good because next week, today's Monday the 1st. Yeah, so next week, Monday, we'll weigh in. And I got the video coming, so hopefully we'll see some progress. Alright, so for dinner, since like I went to the gym, I decided to make a salad with a bunch of greens, so check that out. Yee, it looks kind of sick. Let me show you what's in it. Well, that's it for day 1. Thanks for sticking around. On to day 2. Alright guys, so an update on the vegan thing. I've been doing it for like 8 days now. Today is January 8th and so I made a couple of recipes. I really haven't filmed much this week because I've been like, I was still sick and I think I was sleeping a lot honestly. But I was still doing the vegan thing. Like I have had no dairy, I've had no meat, I've had no eggs. If you follow my Instagram, you'll see all the cool recipes that I've been posting, so make sure you go check that out. I was trying to work out a lot this week, but like I said, I didn't really have like too much energy. I think I worked out like, honestly, probably like 3 times this last week. And today, I worked out, and today I actually feel a little bit better today. I'm not as stuffy. I feel like I'm only stuffy like on one side, not both. I feel like I kind of like breathe again. So I just took a shower, about to make some food, and so it's time for the weekly weigh-in. So honestly, I forgot what it was last week, but check out that video if you haven't yet. I'll put the link in the description below. But let's see where we're at. Alright, so we're in my bathroom, back on the scale, bitch. Let's see where we're at. So, actually, let me just stand up. $259, so I guess I lost like 2 pounds if that even counts. Hey, at least it's going in the right direction, so fuck it. This week I'm about to actually like give a fuck. Excuse me. So next week's weekly weigh-in, hopefully we'll see some more results. So we're 8 days in, 32 days to go. Honestly, it's been cool. It's been cool. It's like I'm trying to like get into this world, and people are like yo, like it's just opening up my mind. It's giving me a lot of perspective. So if you're thinking about doing it, man, like I said, just hit me up, drop the comments down here, and ask questions, or and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. I'm not no expert, but I'm trying to learn. So just let me know. All right, so for dinner, I'm pretty much making the tempeh that I made. Once you can't really see it because of all the greens and avocado that I put up there. But once again, just check out the Instagram and you'll be able to see it up there. But just gonna squeeze some lemon over this. And I'm about to go to town on this, bro. So yeah, added some mushrooms to the tempeh, some greens, salsa, avocado, a little rice at the bottom. Can't really tell, but and lemon juice. So yo, let's fuel up. Yo, so I actually just finished editing this video and forgot to make an end card. But yo, couple things real quick, cause when I posted that last video, honestly, I thought I was gonna get like so much negative like reactions to it, but yo, everybody was mad positive about it. Like I got like so much support out of it, like especially from like people that I didn't expect to get it from. So I just want to say thank you, cause that was like super cool. So yeah, I was not expecting that. So you know, if you like this video, you know, just make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends. You know, I'm making like a little series out of this challenge here. Just make sure you subscribe. You know, thank you to all my new recent subscribers, by the way. I appreciate the support. You know, keep spreading the love, man. I'm trying to hit that 100 so I can get my own link, you know, so I can definitely make this official. So, yeah, just like, subscribe, and always, 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 always drop those comments because, you know, I like to talk to you guys. So I'll see you guys next week in the next video. Check out for my next curry recipe. It's going to be a good one. See you later.